Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Sa video la li pou en créole. Yep. And I'm finally back. Mwen fek di mwen pou kos créole e mwen pou kos anglais. So di mwen pou get sa video la, mwen pou react this video. Li apel 5 things you didn't know about Mauritius. Si mwen pou get an ba ki fè the screen li ici en bas. Et non, mon envie qui était comme mes affaires me connaissent et comme mes affaires me pas connaissent. Après, mon peut faire cette vidéo là qui fait mon peu Maurice beaucoup. Depuis, moi quoi, d'ailleurs, fois comme on a le Maurice, it was 2016. So, 5 ans fini passé. 5 ans, what? So, 1, 2, 3, let's go! Doesn't work.
Bonjour and welcome to Mauritius.
Bonjour, welcome to Mauritius.
We will be spending the next 7 days in this beautiful island
Hey, good Maurice.
of Africa. And it's not only me who says it's beautiful. The great Mark Twain once wrote.
Green, qu'est-ce que c'est là? Tu connais qu'est-ce que c'est là? Que vraiment pas connais. Samuel, no, he's a American writer. He's a American, okay, c'était mon peu comprendre. Aïe, sorry. Beaucoup d'affaires, non. Beaucoup d'affaires, moi pas connais. Mais, moi connais toi, si qui te peut get sa vidéo là, tu pas tu connais. So, je vous remercie, qui fait assez, je connais qui ça n'a. Great Mark, something.
But putting the natural beauty aside,
Maurice, joli.
from big city life to markets, walking through the market here in Port Louis, to submarines, to street food,
Oh, rôti.
and luxury hotels like Salon.
Marie bon. La mer. Moi trop bien Maurice. Trop beau.
I'm going to assume that most of you don't know much about this volcanic country, which is currently celebrating 50 years of independence from the British. I surely didn't know much about Mauritius just a few days ago, but after meeting some locals who have taken me
I
around
really want to go to Mauritius.
lifestyle, my interest has peaked.
Sorry.
Here are 5 things you didn't know about
Attends, nous guetter.
No indigenous population. Mauritius
Mais oui,
has
normal,
been
me connais.
and settled by several world
Mais oui,
powers,
normal, me
like the
connais.
French, East Africans,
Mais oui,
the
normal,
British,
me
and
connais.
As a result, the 1.3 million locals are multi-ethnic, multi-religious,
Yes.
and multilingual who all
Yes.
live together on an
Yes.
island that's just 28 miles wide by
Ça m'a
40
pas tu
miles
connais.
long. It's the most densely populated country in Africa. 2, their language is Creole. Almost
Of
everyone
course.
speaks 3 languages
Of course, me
fluently,
connais.
English,
Of
French, and
course.
Creole, with the latter being
Creole.
spoken 85% of
Comment on peut
the
dire? Créole.
Creole is the language which
Mon créole pas bon, mais je comprends les.
and Indians, etc.
So,
Trying to speak French because most people were working for
that's
the
fine.
There's a
Oui.
word that you need
Vrai.
to know when you speak Creole.
Aïe.
Ayo.
Aïe.
It's
Aïe.
something we use for
Ayo.
anything. You could say
Ayo.
ayo.
Aïe.
So it's hard.
Aïe, mon peu qu'elle fait.
Hinduism. Mauritius is the only African country that has Hinduism as the main religion. I'm here at one of the Hindu temples in Mauritius. As you wander around the island, from big cities to rural villages, you can see colorful Hindu temples that take me right back to my days in India. 4, it's
Penazis,
Mauritius
sa
lies about
religion
1,000
là, hein. Il y en a
kilometers
beaucoup
east of
d'autres.
Madagascar and 4,000 kilometers south of India in the middle of the Indian Ocean.
Ça, moi tu
Its
connais?
isolation has
Tout me
become
connaît, mon Dieu.
that can quickly be
Les
noticed
pour pas,
as you wander around,
sa vidéo là, les plus
especially
pour
in the
ban
We're getting chili bites.
du monde pas mauricien.
Are
D'accord.
soaked overnight.
So that's fine.
and
Oh,
then
mon
crushed.
fucking faim. Aïe, mon fucking faim.
It's deep fried in sunflower oil.
5, it has transformed. Since its independence from Great Britain in 1968, Mauritius has gone from a low-income agriculture-based economy
yeah,
to a
I
more
knew
stable
that.
and wealthier one, fueled by
Moi tu connais,
tourism,
moi tu connais, moi tu
technology,
connais.
and the exports of sugarcane, textile, and fish.
Moi
The
connais, moi
financial
connais.
district of Port Louis is booming.
Ah mais oui, moi mon fait dire. Pourquoi sa vidéo là, les plus pour ban du monde pas mauricien, qui fait la plupart.
And if you like my travel videos, please click subscribe and join me.
Merci pour vidéo là. Merci. Moi tu peux dire comme ça. Moi quoi sa vidéo là, la plupart pour ban du monde pas mauricien, qui fait ouais, bonnes affaires like really basic, qui ban mauricien pour des accords. like, of course. It's it for today. See you mercredi qui fait for this December. Mo pou fè vlogmas, mais mo pou fè li weekly qui fait mon la journée is really boring. So mo pou fè li weekly, comme how mo pou combine all the day in one week, of course, because it's weekly. And yeah, that's it. So mercredi nous pou joindre. I really hope you like this video. If you did, remember to leave a like, comment down below. Oh yeah, if you're Mauritian, comment down below that you're Mauritian and you're proud to be Mauritian, of course, because I'm really proud to be Mauritian. I don't know about you, but I'm really proud to be Mauritian. And what else? Oh, share the video if you want to. And if you got any idea, just put in the comment down below or follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna put everything in the description box or here in the video in the corner. I don't know where, but I'm gonna put in the video or in the description box. And see you in the next one, guys. Mercredi et dimanche. Ça dézoula. Bye.